Depending on what type of vehicle you choose, Yamaha offers a class-leading engine with 1, 2, or 3 cylinders, each designed and engineered for its specific application, each with world-class performance, durability, and reliability. Like the 686cc single overhead cam 4-valve fuel-injected engine, found in a broad variety of Yamaha 4x4 ATVs and side-by-sides. With confidence-inspiring mid-range power character, quick revving responsiveness, plus super quiet low vibration operation. With a low center of mass and great power-to-weight ratio, allowing for more compact chassis designs and more nimble handling and maneuverability. No wonder it's the best-selling 700 class engine in the industry. Then you've got the 847cc parallel twin, powering both the Yamaha Wolverine X2 and the Wolverine X4. With plenty of power for outstanding off-road capability, it's also among the quietest gas-fueled side-by-side engines available.
There's a turn coming up.
So you can easily hold a conversation at cruising speeds. It's also one of the smoothest off-road engines ever created for all-day comfort. Starting with Yamaha's proven race-bred YCCT drive-by-wire throttle, which virtually eliminates a mechanical throttle system for a smoother, more controllable throttle at any speed. And on top of its smoothness, it still produces excellent mid-range power with super linear response. All in all, Yamaha's 847cc parallel twin offers an unbeatable combination of smoothness, capability, and durability. Let's talk about the mind-bending performance of the first ever inline 3-cylinder engine in a pure sports side-by-side. 998 cc's, 12 valves, dual overhead cams, exclusively found on the Pure Sport YXZ 1000R and the YXZ 1000R SS. With technology that's straight out of Yamaha's championship-winning racing program. It's compact, lightweight, and low mass. Engineered from front to back for maximum performance. For lightning-quick throttle response, jaw-dropping power, and fantastic mid-range torque, all the way to a thrilling 10,500 RPM redline. Plus, every engine we build utilizes Yamaha's electronic fuel injection for lower maintenance, easy starts in almost any conditions, and almost no altitude sensitivity. Real-world tech, superior engineering for unmatched off-road performance.